What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Captain Price with Captain Price Reacts, and today we gonna be watching Ratchet Freeze Don't bitch up now. So if you need to channel, go like, subscribe, turn on notifications. I said like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Let's go ahead and get into this video. I'm gonna double Lou you. That's what I'm gonna do.
Bro looking kind of nervous.
Y'all niggas ready?
I ain't gonna fall.
They work you?
Nah, I think they be right
I ain't gonna fall.
man.
Oh shit. I can't.
Why has this video's been so serious lately?
Please stop.
Okay, double Lou. Don't open the freezer at night.
Oh yeah. Oh, the leftover meatballs. Making meatball hoagie. I don't even feel like doing all that.
Oh, treat me. Treat me. You want some food? Right here. Right here. Treat me. You hungry? You thirsty? And I know. Oh, my body got you down low. Quit saying, tell me you thirsty. Is he thirsty? Is he hungry? You know you want some Sunny D. Right here. Not yogurt. Yogurt. What's up? You want no milk? Juice. Come on, eat it up, keep it crack us open. We ready for you. Come on. Need your vitamin D. Come on. Wait, I'll write it back. You want no milk? Give me some of your time. Did you tell us that? What are you doing?
What the deuce? I don't know what's going on with Ratchet. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, like, subscribe, turn on notifications. I'll see y'all in the next